welcome to Delicious Dishes by Dianna, and today I'm going to show you how I put together a salad. It's easy, it's quick, it's refreshing, it's light, and I use my lemon vinaigrette. Let me show you how I do this. I've sped up the camera just a little bit, so I'm going to add some chopped cabbage, chopped baby spinach, grape tomatoes sliced, a sliced strawberry, some chopped yellow onion, sliced avocado, some toasted sunflower seeds, some shredded carrots, and some seasoned croutons. And you can put just as much or as little of any of these on your salad as you'd like. Then I'm going to drizzle several tablespoons of my lemon vinaigrette. Okay, this is a delicious salad. I'm going to mix it all up real quick. If you don't like onions, you don't like tomatoes, you don't like strawberries, use what ingredients you do like. Use the dressing you like. This is just how I make my salad, and it's good. I pre-chopped and cut everything, washed it, cleaned it really well, chopped it up, put it in baggies, and then when I want a salad, it's really easy to just put it together when I want it. Make it in the morning, take it with you to work. If it's already made, then you don't have to spend a lot of time in prep. You've already done all the prep. You could do it on Sunday. You could do it on Saturday night. You could do it on Friday night. Whenever you do your shopping, just come home, wash the vegetables, chop up the lettuce, store it properly, and then you'll have a delicious salad really quick. Okay. Oh, isn't it pretty? It's so colorful. All right. Thank you, God, for this good food. Big bite. Wow. Wow, this is a good salad. Thank you for joining me today in my kitchen, my small kitchen. And I hope that you'll make a salad and use some yummy dressing, maybe the lemon vinaigrette that I made. Enjoy your day, be blessed, shine for Jesus in all you do, and we'll see you next time.